Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday and we are doing the 52-week challenge, $5, $10, anything that we can stuff into our money challenges, we are going to do it today. So I am actually pre-filming all of these videos that you are currently watching this week because I am literally at sea and I am on a cruise, a bachelorette party for one of my very best friends. So I will not be back until the following Sunday, which is the first Sunday in April. So I won't be back until then, and I hope y'all are enjoying these videos and hopefully I can finish not just this video but film another video. Fingers crossed, because it's literally like 11 o'clock at night when I'm filming this and we leave at 7 in the morning. But anyways, so we are going to be doing that, and we do have some people that commented. So we had 13 people who commented a number. This week we are not going to be doing a giveaway because I am literally out to sea. I'm probably not going to use my phone as much because international fees are very high, so we are not going to be doing that. But we have 13 people and we're going to give a shout out, and then hopefully whenever I come back we can do a giveaway. I would love that, so be on the lookout for a giveaway when I come back to the States. But like I said, we have 13 people. There's a lot of people who do have a channel. Donna Joe, who won last week, she commented, but she didn't comment a number. But she has a channel. I think Journey with Nancy has a channel. I Like Saving Challenges, Budget with Sandra, and My Mom on a Budget, Philippines. So she is from the Philippines. But yeah, so 13 people has guessed and we're just going to go with it. So it is Jared's week, and Jared gave me $60. Every single time that it's his week, he's like, how much do I need to give out? And I was like thinking in the 52-week challenge, I was like, well, more than 52 because we haven't crossed out 52 yet. So technically he always just gives me $60. So, but we're going to make it work. If I have to break any money, I do have this money that I went to go yard selling today, which is Saturday when I'm filming this. But I do have some cash that I can do that, but I'm going to try not to use it because I want to break that money down for when I go to Mexico so I can have smaller bills instead of bigger bills. So I'm just going to set this aside and we are going to go ahead and pick. And we're probably going to get a big number because we have 10 little numbers that we already picked and then only 7 big numbers. So in a couple of weeks, probably for the next couple of weeks, we're probably going to be pulling some big numbers. But if not, we can pull again. So we'll see. So this one is 52. So 52, and I know somebody guessed it. I Like Saving Challenges. So I Like Saving Challenges has won, and she gets a shout out. So please go and check her videos out. She really does like doing challenges. She does a lot of short videos as well, as like the little shorts, like the 13-second shorts too. So go ahead and check her out. Go and support her. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers as well. But yeah, so congratulations again. And we are going to be stuffing a big number this week. So that is awesome. But when Jared asks how much he needs to get out next time, I'm going to be like, more than 51. So he's probably going to give me 60 again, which is fine. So we are going to go ahead and color it in green. But yeah, so I am super excited about my trip. I've never been on a cruise, and it's with one of my best friends and a couple of other people, which is it's a lot of people. It's a lot of people going. But we're going to have so much fun. We're going to be snorkeling, zip lining. So I'm super stoked about that. So prayers that everything will, fall into place. I did get COVID tested and I'm negative and everything, so that is great. All right, so 20, 40, 60, and let's see if we can break. I don't think so, because if it's 60, then we just need $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we are going to put $60 And put that aside, and let's see. $52. So we are looking for, we're going to hit a milestone this week. That is $508 is how much we are looking for this week. So let's see if that matches. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 2, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $508 is how much we have so far for our 52-week challenge, which is super exciting, you guys. Because I think, let's see, let's subtract 13. I think it's $13.63. So we have $885 left. No, it's $13.78. $13.78 minus $508. So $870 is how much we have left to stuff, and we will be completely done with the 52-week challenge this year. So I am not going to be pulling another number, even though we could stuff 8. We're not going to do that. We are going to go ahead and we are going to do, I kind of want to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I do need smaller bills as well. So I do have a 5 right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this does count. I'm not cheating because I really do need smaller bills so I can tip the waitresses, the bartenders, and all that stuff on the ship. So we are going to put $5, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to try to find a 3, which I think we're going to have a 3 in the 100. We're going to skip the $10. Yeah, 3. So let's go ahead and do the 5. We're just going to color that in. I think I have a $20 bill in the $5 challenge because I really needed, like I said, I was trying to break some money down for my trip. So that is why I got, I think there is a 20 in the $5 slot. So desperate times calls for desperate measures. So whenever I'm going on a trip, which, I mean, it's still the same money, but yes, I would like it to all be $5, but it's okay. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 75. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So that is awesome. And then we're going to flip to our last envelope. And we're not going to do the $10 challenge this week because we don't have one. We do have a $10 in my other wallet, but if I don't spend it, then of course that's going to go back into this challenge. And there's the dollar one that we already did and completed. And then we have $3. 1, 2, and 3. So we are going to do $3 right here. And we're just going to color that in. Now, if I do not use any of, or if I don't spend all of my cash on the trip, I am going to split between putting it in my savings, putting it towards debt, and also putting stuff towards the money challenge, because it will be my week whenever I come back, which will be fine because I should have a lot of bills, a lot of $5 and a lot of $1 bills. So I'm super excited about that. So 1, 2, 3. We're just going to get it out and see how much we have. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $28. And we're just going to put that back in there. Close it up because we are pretty much done. So this week, just a little recap. So we did $3. We didn't do anything for the $10 challenge. The $5, we did do one of them. And then the 52 week, we did the very last one, which is the 52 week, which is a really good one. It's a huge number. So I'm super excited about that one. But anyway, so that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. I am hoping that I can do a closeout for March, because March was a really good month. I'm hoping, really just depends on if I can get this one uploaded and edited and everything by the time I go to sleep, because I really do need to go to sleep before 7 o'clock comes, because I have to wake up at 5. But anyways, I love you guys. Stay safe, and I will stay safe as well. And I will see you guys next week whenever I come back. And but yeah, so enjoy these videos, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.